If you've been looking for a fast and reliable way to send survey results to your CRM automatically, this is the only video you need to watch. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and I'll show you the exact method that works best. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to follow along using the same software we'll be using. Here's the deal. Manually moving survey responses into your CRM wastes time and opens the door for human error. But by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a completely hands-off integration that does it for you in real time, whether you're using surveys for leads, feedback, or onboarding. We're keeping this under 3 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Step 1. You need a survey tool that integrates with automation platforms. Most do, but some make it much easier. For this demo, we're using a software that simplifies the entire process, and the exclusive trial is in the description if you want to follow along exactly. Once your survey is created, questions, logic, all done, you'll jump into your automation platform. Think of tools like Zapier, Make, or similar. You'll create a new automation or Zap and set the trigger as a new survey submission from your tool. Then connect your CRM. This could be HubSpot, Salesforce, ActiveCampaign, whatever you're using. You'll need to match the fields from your survey to your CRM contact fields. Name to name, email to email, custom fields like feedback scores or product interests. Map them accordingly. Now, here's the key part that trips people up. Always test the automation using a real survey response before going live. That's how you make sure the formatting, tags, and data fields line up correctly. Once it works, turn the automation on and forget about it. Every future survey result gets instantly logged into your CRM. No manual entry, no delays. If you want to go further, you can even trigger follow-up emails, assign contacts to sales pipelines, or tag them for segmentation, all automatically. The software we're using makes this process super smooth. And again, there's a free trial linked below exclusively for viewers of this channel, so check it out if you want to replicate everything you saw here. The key takeaway? Automating the way your survey results feed into your CRM doesn't just save time. It gives you cleaner data, faster follow-ups, and better results. Don't overcomplicate it. Quick recap. 1. Build your survey. 2. Set up an automation with your survey as the trigger. 3. Connect and map fields to your CRM. 4. Test everything. 5. Turn it on and let it run. If you're serious about streamlining this process, I highly recommend using the exclusive free trial in the description. It'll save you a ton of time figuring it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Go automate that workflow.